New installation for the food today. This is very simple, look nice, but it's not a good. I think it's made from China. They not prepare very well for accessory, so you need to buy something too. And not good design, but you can use your way to get it done. Yeah, but it's cheap. Yeah. So this maybe just $130. Normally they can say up to 400, 500, but right now they make it simple. Yeah, you see, that's the light and the power. Very good, right? Then good thing is that they have a two. You can circulate the air inside, because here they have a carbon filter that you absorb the oil, smoke, and then become the clean air. And also have a tube can go outside. The way I do is the tube will go out and go to the ceiling. He not go to the outside door. Go to the ceiling and pass the insulation. Now tube will go to insulation. Then insulation, after insulation, they have air go outside, like from the they call the bird. You know, bird can come in the hole there. So the air exchange in the attic. So you can, I just suck the air go to there. Yeah, that should be okay. Yeah. So we don't need to drill the hole. Okay, that's today I made. Bye.